For the last month I've been up to my neck in it with repairs with the Rockhopper. In May/June is usually our bad time of year because there's no prawns to catch, so the boats take the opportunity to paint and repair. And I started with us trying to repair a small leak, and it's went to a more major job than I expected. The job I'm currently working on is the airbox for the engine room, which was rotten. It was that bad that the actual plywood was breaking away into my hands. Basically this is the air intake. The air gets sucked into here and into the engine room to give the engine clean air to make it run cleaner and more efficient. It took me at least a week just to get to this stage, and we're finally getting there now. It's another day, maybe a day and a half, and we'll get this complete. One or two other more jobs to do, and then fingers crossed we'll start getting blitzed down for painting. From a 43-year-old boat, yes, exactly is what it is. It's just one headache after another. Because she's old, she needs a lot more TLC than other vessels. A good bit more looking after, I think, especially after the hard working life she's had. The jobs that you usually find start off small, but then there's another like 12 jobs after that first job to repair first before you can fix the first job. Aye, best idea, don't start the jobs. Leave it be. Let the boat take its natural course, I think. But if you love a vessel as much as I love this boat, then you do what you can to make it right. And this is what I do. I'd rather do the job, take longer to do the job right, than do a hashy job and then that's it. That's the worst thing about being a single-handed owner on a vessel like this, is everything you have to do is by yourself. You could get tradespeople in to do it, however it would cost a holy fortune, absolute holy fortune, and we just not got the pennies for that. It's hard enough to actually pay for this. I mean, this cost alone just to do this airbox, you're looking at £300 just for the materials, not including my time. And for the value of the catch that we've lost because we're not at sea, well, that speaks for itself. Aye, it's took far too long. The rest of the boats are back at sea, and I'm still repairing, and it's going to take another week, maybe a week and a half after that, and then I've still got painting to do. So things are really at a nice edge now, and there's a sign of prawns coming on. Yeah, being a single-handed owner to a 43-year-old boat is quite tedious. However, we are getting to the end of the repairs now, and fingers crossed, I'm hoping to get back to sea as soon as possible to at least earn something.